Hi, I'm Grant from Tella, and in this video, I'll show you how to use Tella's Teleprompter. Our Teleprompter is only available on Tella for Mac, our native Mac OS application. If you already have Tella for Mac installed, open it up. If you don't, I've added a link in the description of this video which explains how you can download and install Tella for Mac. Let's get into it. Once you've opened up Tella for Mac, click on the three dots in the top right of the window, and then click on Speaker Notes. Our teleprompter feature is also known as speaker notes. Then you get this little invisible sticky note that can live on your desktop, and you can move it around wherever you want. You can resize it, whatever you like. It's invisible because just like the main Tella for Mac user interface, it's completely invisible to your viewers. So you can keep an eye on yourself in the main user interface, and you can read your script wherever you put it, but this won't be captured in the recording, meaning your viewers won't see either the speaker notes, the teleprompter, or the main user interface. Once you have your notes open, you can just click in the space here and start typing a script or notes. You can click on the three dots up here, adjust the transparency of the main window, the text size. If you have great eyesight, you can switch this to small, but I think that the large size is the best for reading a script. And then you can also adjust the teleprompter speed. So once you add a few more notes in here and a few more words, then you can push the play button, and then you'll see that the teleprompter feature activates, where it plays back whatever you've written in here. Once it's gone through your entire script, you can push this reset button. It'll take you back to the beginning. If while you're playing, you want to go back and read another part, you can quickly scroll up. I'd recommend experimenting with the text size, the teleprompter speed, and then the width of the window, determining how many words are visible on a line, to find a nice sort of reading rhythm setup that feels easy for you to follow your script. Once you've got that, then you know roughly what you want to set up each time you use the teleprompter feature. So here I've just been typing in a script from scratch, but you can copy and paste a full script or notes that you've written in some other document tool and paste that into the teleprompter feature. If you're recording on a MacBook using the default webcam, I'd recommend grabbing your teleprompter and then putting it at the top of your display just below your webcam. That'll make it easy for you to maintain eye contact and read your script. Another handy tip is that if you take your script and then add a few empty lines at the beginning, that'll give you some time to prepare before you start reading your script after pushing play. So I've got this white space that I get a moment to collect myself. So if we play this back, we wait a few seconds, and then we start to see our script come in. This is much easier than having to start the script right away from here. It's a little tricky to kind of catch up with the pace of the reading if you don't have a few seconds before to start. And that is the teleprompter feature. If you like this video and like Tella, give it a like. That'll help more people discover this video and our other videos on the channel. We publish videos every single day, so subscribe to the channel to stay up to date and see all the newest content, features, and everything else. See you on the next one. Bye for now.